Picture yourself starting an exciting study abroad adventure in Australia. Amidst this thrill of exploration and learning, it's crucial to understand the intricacies of the Australian health insurance system. So by familiarizing yourself with how this unique system operates, you can ensure that you are fully prepared for any unexpected illness or injury that may arise during your journey. So Australia's health insurance system holds its own distinctiveness, just like the captivating country itself. So that's why it is important to arm yourself with the knowledge before you set foot on the Australian soil. By doing so, you'll have a clear understanding of what is covered and what is not, leaving no room for unfortunate surprises to catch you off guard. Hello and welcome to EduTrainex, one of the best online platforms for PTE preparation. I am Nandini Watts, and today in this video I am going to tell you about the insurance system for international students in Australia. Watch the video till the end because I'll be telling you about all the related information regarding OSHC, that is Overseas Student Health Cover. Now, why are international students required to have OSHC? See, it is important to understand why OSHC is an indispensable requirement for international students like you. As you enter Australia, you'll come across Australia's renowned national health insurance program, Medicare, which provides complete coverage for Australians. However, international students are not eligible for Medicare benefits. So this is where OSHC steps in, offering you much needed access to healthcare services without the burden of financial hardship. See, OSHC is a mandatory requirement for all international students, including their family members such as partners and children under 18. Exceptions are there for Belgian students covered by the reciprocal healthcare agreement, Norwegian students receiving healthcare insurance from the Norwegian government, and Swedish students with international coverage through specific agencies. However, New Zealand citizens residing in Australia can avail themselves of Medicare benefits. Now, the Australian Government Department of Health has approved specific health funds to offer OSHC to make sure there is quality coverage for international students. So these are the approved providers. Now, with these trusted options, you can rest assured that your health needs will be taken care of. Now, the cost of OSHC varies based on the level of coverage you require. For minimum cover, the prices range from 478 Australian dollars to 12 months of singles cover to 2600 Australian dollars for 12 months of couples cover and 4200 Australian dollars for 12 months of family cover as of September 2021. See, it is very important to note that these prices are subject to change, so please check with the providers for the most up-to-date information. To obtain OSHC, you have two options. Your educational institution can organize it for you, or you can purchase it directly through the OSHC provider's website. So your institution may recommend a specific provider, but you can choose another one that suits your reference and needs. So before finalizing your OSHC, make sure to speak with different providers to ensure that the coverage level meets your specific requirements. Comparing policies from different providers will help you identify the best value for your money. Now you can conveniently compare plans from selected providers using Finder. The link for it I'll put in the description below. So the basic OSHC provides a range of important services including visits to the doctor, certain hospital treatments, limited pharmaceuticals, ambulance cover, access to private hospitals, day surgeries, and some other prosthetic devices. So even though OSHC provides an array of services, but it doesn't include dental, optical, and physiotherapy treatments. So, however, some OSHC providers offer these additional services as extras within more comprehensive OSHC coverage. While OSHC provides a valuable coverage, it is important to know that it doesn't cover all medical and hospital expenses. However, in most cases, OSHC will take care of a significant portion of the costs, easing your financial burden during the times of illness or injury. Now, to ensure that you have the best possible coverage that suits your needs, it is better to have a conversation with the OSHC providers. They can guide you in selecting a plan that offers the optimal balance between the costs and benefits. Now, if you need treatment while you are in Australia, then the first step is to seek medical attention from a doctor or visit the emergency department of a public hospital. Luckily, many educational institutions have doctors located on campus or nearby, ensuring convenient access to healthcare. Plus, OSSC providers often have partnerships with medical clinics, allowing for direct billing and minimizing upfront expenses for students just like. Now, during your visit, the doctor will assess your condition and determine if additional treatment is necessary. If required, they may refer you to a specialist or recommend a hospital for further care. You have the choice to opt for either a public or private hospital. However, contacting your OSSC provider before going to a private hospital is important to confirm coverage for the treatment you need. Similarly, if you plan to visit a public hospital for a non-emergency situation or an effective elective procedure, it is advisable to consult your OSSC provider beforehand to ensure coverage. Now, in case of an emergency, dial 000 to call an ambulance and head directly to the emergency department of the nearest hospital. In most cases, OSSC will cover significant portion of your medical expenses, providing you with valuable financial support. However, when you receive a bill for medical treatment, you will have two choices. You can either pay the bill upfront and then seek reimbursement from your OSSC provider, or you can have the bill directly sent to them. And then in such case, it is very essential to clarify the preferred method of payment with your OSSC provider, as the arrangements might vary. Now, to safeguard your health during your time in Australia, it is requirement to obtain OSSC for the entire duration of your student visa. This means that from the moment you set foot in the country until the expiration date of the visa, having OSSC coverage is a must. Now, it provides you with the necessary protection and financial support in case of unexpected illness or injury. Now, further, if you decide to extend the length of your visa, you must also renew your OSSC accordingly. This ensures that you remain protected throughout your extended stay without any gap or further coverage. Now, at any point during your stay in Australia, you have the freedom to switch OSSC provider. Now, this allows you to explore different options and find the provider that best suits your needs. So, whether you are seeking better coverage, more affordable rates, or improved services, transferring to a new provider is entirely possible. However, it is important to keep in mind that some OSSC providers may charge a refund processing fee. So, if you choose to switch before the expiration of your current policy, this fee serves as a compensation for administrative processes associated with transferring your coverage. Now, for complete and accurate details about OSSC, privatehealth.government.au is your go-to resource. I'll put the link for it in the description below. You can also call this number to connect directly with an OSSC expert who will guide you through any inquiries. And if English is not your preferred language, you can dial 13 14 50 for a translation service that will assist you in communicating your needs effectively. So take the step of familiarizing yourself with the ins and outs of the Australian health insurance system. This way, you can confidently undertake your study abroad adventure, knowing that you have the necessary knowledge to navigate your healthcare needs. Don't let unexpected health issues dampen your experience. Empower yourself with the knowledge and enjoy every moment of your Australian journey. So that was all about OSSC. In case of any queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.